If Quick Share is not working correctly on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, first of all, we're gonna go to settings to try to solve your issues. Now over here, we're gonna go to connected devices and let's proceed to Quick Share. First at the top, we have accounts. So if you try to share data with another Galaxy device, you want to make sure that your Samsung account is set up over here. In case you want to share with non-Galaxy devices, so another Android device, then you want to make sure that the correct Google account is selected. Then we have nearby sharing, so who can share with you. And most of the time, you actually want to set this to everyone. And there is also an option that allows you to keep this option everyone enabled only for 10 minutes. If you need more time, then you can uncheck this option and it will be kept set to everyone until you manually switch back. So definitely you want to set it either to contacts only or everyone, depending if the other person is saved on your contacts. And if you set it to no one, then of course your device won't be visible. So most likely you want to set it to everyone. Besides that, make sure that the phone name is set up in such a way that is recognizable, of course. So there is also show available devices on the share panel, so you might want to keep this on. And there's also allow sharing over internet. So if it's not possible to share using a direct connection, sharing will continue over the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. So you want to make sure that this option is probably enabled. And there is also use Wi-Fi only, so in case you don't want to use mobile data, then enable this option. And with these options enabled, then you should be able to make Quick Share work again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.